Warming up pretty good back here. Like I said, it's 8 degrees outside. I think one of the most helpful things I could do back here next, my next thing to do, might be just to fix this door handle. I got this little locky thing on the top of it, which ain't no good. It's got a door handle on it. And this is actually one of the nicer door handle plates that I've got on the property. I don't know if you can see that much, but that thing is kind of pretty. That door handle, see what that looks like? See how pretty that plate is? I got a thing here. I don't know how that doesn't work. I bet it wouldn't take that much to make it work. But I could make it work pretty easily. I might do that because this thing up here is problematic. I got plenty of door handles. I could find me a door handle to swap for that missing door handle outside there. I might just give a little bit of attention to that right away. A lot of times when them doors don't catch like that, it's the striker plate is raised or lowered or sunk in, and sometimes I'll take a screw and just put a screw head in the right spot for that door thing to catch on. And that works just as well. I can see on this one here, it's right. Pretty set shape there. Oh yeah, see, that works. So that's not perfect, but what I can do is when I go out I can pull it too, and then I can turn it off and open it. Later on I can fix that striker plate there. And in the meantime, we can use this when we're in here, just to keep it closed good and snug. This is the old broken piece of striker plate that was on there. I don't even know. That ain't much, but it's something I can fix fairly easily. I'm not going to do it today, but I did enough today to make it a little better than it was. Sometimes that's good enough for me. I got a big old air hole down here at the bottom, don't I? It's one of them spots where I might just need to something like this over here. I've got a piece of flooring over here, a piece of back sill that needs to be paid some attention to. It's too cold to do it on a day like this. I'm just saying. Let's see if I can show you that striker plate. Well, it's not actually a striker plate, it's a screw. And it's right in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But this little thing on the door handle goes in behind that. That way I can close it now and open it without the door flopping wide open. I went out to take something to the compost while ago, compost bin, and I didn't want to go out that door because I didn't want it flopping around while I was out there and letting all cold air out. Okay.